You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly, how and why. If you want to learn more vocabulary, more confusing pronunciations in English, you found the right channel. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. As a noun, in the context like a tax, this is the name of a tax, okay? It's pronounced excise, excise. Note that you have a Z sound, and as I said, a stress on the first syllable, excise, all right? Excise, easy. As a verb, it means to cut, like in a medical procedure, and it's pronounced as excise, excise, with a stress on the size syllable. So it's essentially the same pronunciation, but the stress is not on the first syllable. As a noun, it's excise, and excise, the tax, to excise as a verb, as in to cut. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.